Introducing the SPL 9FH adhesive application unit, designed for cases where frequent changes in glue width are required. This system is widely used in door manufacturing, where both the width and length of the panel may vary depending on customer requirements. The operator simply enters the dimensions of the workpiece, and the machine automatically applies the adhesive with precision. The SPL 9FH can be configured for both one-component and two-component adhesives. In this video, we showcase the version of one-component polyurethane adhesive with increased viscosity, preventing glue penetration into the pores of mineral wool. The machine is delivered in ready-to-use condition, with installation taking only a few hours. Our engineer will come on site to provide training and assist with the production process. At any time, you can connect the machine to the internet and reach our office for technical support, assistance, and remote diagnostics. We look forward to helping you streamline your production. The Gluestream team is always at your service.